Ladies and gents, good afternoon. Good morning rather. The captain on behalf of Air New Guinea and your crew, welcome aboard this morning's flight to Penang. We're just climbing up through 14,000 feet on our way up to 28,000 feet, and we are at the moment expecting a smooth flight, so the seatbelt sign has been turned off. You're free to move around the cabin if you need to. However, while seated, keep your belts fastened in case we do run into any unexpected turbulence. At the moment, we should have you disembarking shortly after 20 minutes past 11. Enjoy the flight, thank you.